Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will play very funny tricks in Microsoft Excel. First select all your sheet and right click here and go to the format cell and just click custom. In general you have to type 3 times semicolon and double quote type goodbye. And click OK. Now Excel will play a very funny tricks. If you type anywhere in your cell, it will convert into goodbye. This is a very funny tricks in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.